What is up, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody that's tuned in. Good morning, D. Good morning, what's good, everybody? Good morning, Patrick. Good morning. Everybody's talking about gold, I seen, and even in the community. I have no idea why. Good day to all my fellow mates. Oh. Makes sense. How's everybody doing? Anybody catch any trades so far? If, by the way, guys, if you are not tapped in on my Discord, do me one favor. Make sure you tap in. I'm gonna actually, this Discord is lit, man. We all active. We all sharing information, providing great knowledge, all of that fun stuff. And y'all know, like, man, that's what makes a community great. So I'm gonna need all of y'all to go ahead and join the community if you haven't already, and start tapping into what we got going on. Now, if you are in the VIP community, you seen my analysis I have on all my yen pairs when it comes to GJ and euro yen and GJ. Yeah, guys, so that's what I'm sticking with. I 100% believe that is what we got coming on with the yen pairs. So if y'all are in the VIP section, make sure you guys read what I put. Other than that, we're going to see if there's any trades. I see y'all already on it with the likes. Y'all know how I get. And it's beautiful to see we already hit 100 likes. That's beautiful. Y'all like, we know E now. If he ain't getting his likes up, he's going to get intense. I like it. All right, guys. So I am looking on a nice opportunity with GJ. I already explained why I'm looking for what I'm looking for in the community, but once I get my momentum candle, I will be taking this sell if I can see that setup. If not, either one or two things are going to happen. I missed out on the trade, or just ain't played out how I wanted to play it out. So we're going to keep our eyes open on this one. However, we got a lot of liquidity on GJ that needs to be taken. Euro yen, I'm looking on it to head up. However, we have two levels that it needs to respect. Believe it or not, there's one there, and there is also really this one whole thing right there. We'll like for it to come down here and see what we got going on, and then yeah, kind of see what happens from there. By the way, guys, y'all seen what happened yesterday with the news, right? I didn't expect dollar to drop. I know we was live yesterday in the Asian session. It wasn't really much going on, but man, I did not expect it to drop. But hey, once that joint dropped, just like I said yesterday, Nasdaq's going up. And that is exactly what it did. I didn't expect this one to be so damn volatile and express itself that much. But yes, guys, this ended up being a winner for me. You guys know I took the broke even trade, but I still remained in the other trade, and that was a $1,200 profit right there. I didn't ride it, honest to God, I did not ride it all the way to where you guys see it, but played out well. Now, if I was to show you guys, and I'm gonna show you guys my account where it's at now. Can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can. We are almost at $18,000. Gosh, Lee, this is a fucking amazing. $18,000 profit. This is just profit from a $4,000 account. If you are new to my channel, yes, I am in the midst of growing this account, and I did not expect it to be this bad. Not this bad, but this fast, I can say. I was honestly hoping a year. That was kind of like where I was sitting at. But yeah, guys, we are at $18,000 right now. I already withdraw $6,000. I think I'm gonna keep withdrawing more. But the balance in this account right now is sitting at 15K. And yeah, man, it's pretty dope. It's pretty dope, guys. So, anywho, we got to start tapping into a lot of these. I didn't expect dollar to still be doing what it's doing. Like, I did not expect this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm thinking that, oh, we're gonna consolidate. Nah, because gold is still going up, and we still have nothing going on with gold. So, once again, what I like to say is, rest in peace to whoever sold gold for whatever reason, and congratulations to whoever made profit on gold for whatever reason. 50-50, right? In order for you to make money, somebody's got to lose it so you can get that money. That's just the way it goes. All right, guys. Hold on. Let's see. Once again, y'all, make sure y'all join the Discord if y'all haven't. I shared the link already. Talking about rest in peace to me then. You contribute 1,000 to the market. I heard Pac. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Nothing we can do about it. How many trades do I send in a day? It depends on the market. I can't really tell you that. I promise you, I really can't. Really can't. Try to send at least 3. That's what I lean towards. Got my cheeks clapped this morning. Bruh. Y'all killing me, man. Y'all killing me, man. Make sure y'all go like this video. We need to get this to 200 likes. Hey, yo. 200 likes. Let's get this to 200 likes. Do I have a video on explaining the high quality setup that you take and have? Only in my course. There's a new section I'm actually dropping. It's supposed to be coming out today, but it has to get pushed back. But it's there though. But it's going to be all the new stuff that I talk about here. Looking at this GJ trade, possibly for some sales, but it's gonna be nice, quick one-on-one, you know, or not one-on-one. Yeah, a nice little quick one-on-one, 1 or 2 if we can catch that. But I'm possibly. There's nothing going on with gold. I am looking on Euro Yen to still shoot down. Actually, let's add my alert with Euro Yen. Looking on Euro Yen, and then and then Nah, it's too, Kevin, it's too early for it. Hold on. I'm gonna do it, but it's a little too early for it. I'm just gonna wait on everybody that's new to me, kind of get adjusted to how I am, adjusted to how this channel is, and adjusted to how our chat room is. And then if I don't see where we at with the likes, I'm gonna go ahead and hit my dramatic ass music on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my preaching, and then from there we gonna see what's up. But right now we gonna chill. We gonna keep it chill. Y'all better be hitting them likes though. Don't be waiting for whatever we got going on. But yeah, let's get them likes up, man. We got 300 already tapped in. Make sure y'all share this with y'all friends, y'all family, y'all cat, y'all dog, y'all hamsters. I don't care. Whoever has eyes and can see, they can see what they got. Whoever has eyes and see, has a brain, they know what's up. So make sure you get everybody to tap in. All right. Yeah, I'm about to get in this joint once. And this will be a nice little one-on-one trade. Nice little 1 or 2 trade right here. Let's see where our fibs align with this. 50% in there. Let's go. 1 or 2. 1 or 2. We looking at a 1 or 2 right about there. Beautiful. I like this setup already. I'm liking this setup already. 1 minute, we got diversions. Somewhat, maybe not, but yeah, we're gonna tap in 2 minutes because I like the 2 minute a lot too. I got a catfish and a snake. Make sure you refer them out here. Like all you gotta do is put your laptop in front of their face and cool. I do know you have you got 3-year watching me, and my 3-year-old's watching me. There we go. Perfect. So, all right, guys, I'm taking a risky trade. I'm hopping in this trade right now. I'm hopping in this trade with my stop loss resting at these exactly where it's at now, and I'm putting an alert here. Actually, hold on. I'm doing my funded account today. And that NASDAQ trade got my account back up a little bit. Still down though. What's going on, agent? How you doing, mate? All right, guys. We got Sway in the building. Sway, you in here? I know you usually in here. I don't know if you said something to me. But anyway, I kind of want to take it even further down if we can. Fortunately, I just got in a pretty big lot size on my funded account, and I can't do what I wanted to originally do. It's all good. But on my personal account, we good. Always liked in the video. I love it. Can you explain why you took the sell? I explained it already and more in the VIP though, but I just took it because of my typical setups that I see. And in this one, I'm looking for it to come down to here or even down here. We're going to have to see though. So why you tell us not to take the trade? What's the purpose of this live? I don't know what's the purpose of this live to you. My purpose of this live is not to tell you what trade to take, because I don't fucking give out Forex signals. This disclaimer, for those that want signals, this is not the place to go, so you're gonna have to tap out. But for Euro, guys, so like what I said with Euro, let me show you guys something. See, look, this is how I know y'all be tapped in, because a lot of people already know kind of how we trade. We here to learn, bro. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing here. Here to learn. We're not here to. I'm not here to say, oh guys, sell this, buy this. Definitely not here to do that. But I see a lot of you guys already know what I was looking for with GJ, which is dope. Anyway, for those that actually wants to learn, with Euro Yen, we have what we like to call change of character, break of structure, shift in the market, market shift, market whatever. But basically, if y'all look at a higher scale, y'all see this range right here, right? From here to here, even from here to here, we got an extreme and a midpoint off of this range. We finally tapped into that. And not only that we tapped into that, if y'all look right down here, we finally just broke this structure. Guess what? Now since we broke that structure, we gotta tap into these liquidity zone levels right in here. Once we tap into them, it's over with. It's literally over with. And we can be looking for those up moves, because if y'all look, we got so much liquidity built up right here. Like they I know they want this. They irking for this. And I see the hint right here. It broke out this high, boom. So yeah, that's that, man. I'm telling y'all. Just like yesterday when I was talking about the NASDAQ trade, telling y'all they're gonna go up and take that liquidity, and that's exactly what they did. That's why I was in it for a buy, while everybody else was so confused. I was like, y'all, we gotta get that buy. They want that. We gotta think like a banker. Why you demand likes from us but don't tell us not to take trades? What? Well, I just did a whole analysis now, so, which I do all the time on my live streams. So, and I do all the time on my live streams why I got in the trade, just not this one. Actually, I did kind of said it, so I'm not sure what you're asking for. Have I looked at NAS already? Man, NASDAQ. Yeah, NASDAQ. I'm not even gonna lie. I wasn't even expecting so much volume. I was not expecting so much volume still with NASDAQ. No, let's keep them. Let's keep them in here. Y'all know how drama is. Drama keeps people interested. But anyway, this GJ trade, like I said, I'm waiting on this to, let's see if we can start tapping these lows here. We definitely tapped into this POI level with my extreme, right? So boom, from there, I'm kind of just waiting on it to tap down. The only thing though I did not 100% wait on was more momentum. And that's why I'm like, y'all, this one is a little risky right here. But I just see everything else clicking to me, and it's just like, yeah, nah, we got this. We gotta have this one. We gotta have this one. You know what I'm saying? If it goes left, then it goes left. It is what it is. Do you recommend, let's see, do you do mentorships? Yes, I do. They are currently closed though, but my mentorships will be back open next month. Or I do have a spot. Or I do have, well, not a spot, but if you brought into my mentorships, then you're good. Otherwise, you're gonna have to wait for a bit. Because my mentorships, I'm reconfiguring everything. It's gonna be so much better. Nah, agent, that's a fact. That's a fact. I don't know. I wouldn't say he. Hey, I ain't trying to say dude hating, but he probably is. Hey, now he just said scamming people. Now he just said I'm scamming people. So yeah, you right. Never mind. I take that back. I guess I am scamming people. Free knowledge scams people. That's crazy, right? Let's see. Somebody said trade with no momentum. You mean that you enter without the candle confirmation on GJ? So basically what I mean by momentum is I look at how can I put it? I look at not just a candlestick pattern. I actually look at everything else, like as far as the reaction of the candle. So like what I mean by that is I talk about momentum flow and momentum. This right here would be considered momentum flow, and this would be considerably a momentum, how can I put it, like a momentum zone level consolidation. I kind of look at that to see who's bigger, which one's taking over the most, and kind of go from there. So, you know, that being said, that's really what I mean by momentum. I'm not just focusing on 1, 2, 3 candles. I'm kind of looking at all types of candles. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Somebody said the only scam I actually gotten something good out of. How many trades do you take a day? It depends on the day, but I try to average between, when I'm live trading, I see that we probably average like 2 trades a day. I think that's what we've been doing, y'all, 2 trades a day live. But if I'm like trading within myself and I'm like fully focused, probably like 5 and a couple more. We had a doji close. Yeah, and then you know what? Even on the 5-minute, we had this wick rejection too, right here. And actually, ain't this a candlestick pattern that a lot of people know? It's crazy for me to say this, but I don't know all the candlestick patterns, and I don't really care to know. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it. It's just I look at other things to determine that. It's kind of like who developed the candlestick patterns. They had to understand momentum, right? So that's kind of how I feel like I'm sitting at with that. But yeah. Yeah, guys, NASDAQ is I still don't 100% know exactly what NASDAQ wants to do right now. You said a bearish symmetrical triangle on what are you talking about, GJ, Patrick? I think you're talking about GJ. Yeah, okay, I feel you. Hold on, y'all, let me see. But yeah, I don't have too much going on what to expect with NASDAQ, man. It's just like, I don't know. I don't have an answer for y'all right now. Besides that, we have to pull back, but where can we pull back to? I mean, I know a lot of y'all look at fair value gaps, but depending on what time frame you're looking at, you know, that can be tricky because technically all of this could be one. Even if you probably go on a daily scale, you know, you see from here and then whenever this daily candle close, you have like your daily bias of that. But when we really start tapping into the lower scale, we actually look into more in detail. What we really want to focus on is this level right here and this level right there. This is what we call my extreme and my midpoint. So it's kind of like we got to see what we can get, you know? We got to kind of see what we can get. Yeah, humble request. I will humbly definitely explain that. Solo, did I get into a buy for gold yesterday? Nah. Did I? Nah, I didn't. I did not. I feel like I got in gold, but no, I did not. Did not. But yeah, my setup is pretty quite simple. My step-by-step reaction. So like, just to show you guys what I look for is, I like to look for a overall bias. Like, are we going down or going up? And then within me looking at the overall bias, I kind of determine Also, what is going on as far as liquidity, meaning that do I see a lot of equal highs, equal lows resting anywhere? And if I usually spot that, it's kind of like, all right, cool. I kind of got a play of action on a higher scale, but let me go on a lower scale to see if these reactions is what's going to drive that price either up to that liquidity phase or down to that liquidity phase, whatever way I see it on a daily or even on a higher scale. So then when I start tapping into the lower scale, I start analyzing my ranges, my impulsive trend, up or down trend. And then from there, once I spot that, I'm like, all right, cool. Let me look for areas inside this range where market could pull to. Every time I talk about a high and a low, like an order block, supply, demand, key levels, support, resistance, it's like a magnet. That is where money is resting in bankers' eyes. So they're going to come to those levels. When I talk about data, like how a lot of people like to calculate things based off previous information or other information to get the most accuracy, that's this range right here. So we look for market to tap into these points. And this is usually where I get the midpoint idea and an extreme idea. The midpoint is 50% inside of that range, and the extreme is usually anywhere. If you're using fib settings, Sway was good. If you're using any fib settings, it's anything from 61% all the way down to 100%. So I always say we got to see what market taps into. Once it taps into those levels, I simply wait on one thing or two other things, right? Break a structure, or market reaction, price momentum, and or price pattern. And that's kind of my setup, from the day I started trading live. That's pretty much what I've been doing. You guys might see me change up some certain things, but it always remain the same with my 3 confirmations. And my setups is always like that. That's in my trading plan. I talk about trading plans so much faithfully that is the key to being disciplined. One of the key factors to being disciplined. In that trading plan, you need to have risk management strategy, risk management rules. You need to have your actual strategy, and you need to have your rules. And also you can throw in your pairs if you want to, and then boom. And then if you want extra like support within yourself, create a journal, right? Create a journal. You can do it within TradingView. You can do it outside of TradingView, whatever. Create a journal. And every trade you take, you put notes there. I know I have a student here right now. She does it very well. You put notes here and you say, this is why I got in this. I actually have 2 students that's doing it right now. You put notes and you say, this is why I'm doing this now. And if it goes in your favor, cool. If it doesn't, you write your mistakes and then you move on. And that right there is the best way to mentally prepare yourself for greatness in this market. Guys, we got 200 likes, but we don't even have 300 likes. And we got over 400 people watching. Make sure y'all go like up the video. Thanks for yesterday. NASDAQ profit 450, even though it was a demo. That's what's up. That is what's up. No, not right now. Hold on. I'm gonna do it soon though. I'm just waiting on to see what this GJ trade is doing. Liquidity grabs is just I have to actually show you then just to tell you honestly. Why is my GJ trade different from? Oh, that's why it was 1 minute. I'm actually looking on Euro Yen to kind of react off of this and start heading down. that drop. We're gonna have to see some more momentum with this one. GJ, you're gonna have to drop, buddy. Yeah, it is definitely a dangerous sell. Like I said, the only thing about that GJ trade that I said was made it risky is that I didn't fully wait on that momentum. I just seen one little reaction off the 5-minute, so I'll definitely take fault for that one if it does it, if it goes left. But we did get this change of character, structure, however you guys want to call it, man. So many names out there, but we did get the break of structure and all of that beautiful stuff. We did take liquidity. Now this is where someone asked about liquidity grabs. It's where you see equal lows aligning, rather if it's a diagonal line like this or a straight line. And you need to see an aggressive move break out of it, nothing like a wick. Because usually if you see a wick, that just kind of means that it's just building up even more liquidity. Right, but you need to see a lot of people call it displacement. You need to see a full impulsive reaction breaking out of that. That basically means that it just took all that money, and from there, that's when you start to say, all right, cool, liquidity's been grabbed now. Let's see what the fuck can go on from here. Yeah, guys, we coming to that SL for sure. Drinking alcohol while trading is the best. Holy crap, I cannot do that. I remember I tried trading when I was drunk before. It was the most funniest thing ever. I was looking at the market just like, what the fuck? I remember I trade high. I remember I traded Forex when I was high as fuck, and all I did was just laugh the whole time. I'm like, what the fuck is this? What am I looking at? I'm already goofy, so when I'm super extremely high, depending on what stem I have, it's like I'm either gonna be fucking giggling the whole time, or I'm gonna be sleepy. It's gonna be one of those two. That's it. Or no, I'm lying. It's also me giggling, sleepy, or mellow. Really like fucking mellow. Like I'm just sitting here the whole time. Y'all can't see me high right now if I was to do a live stream, because it would be the most quietest stream ever. I'll just be sitting here looking at the chat. It's just doing absolutely nothing. Y'all can really think something wrong with me. You probably have more patience if you was high. I could see that. I could definitely see that. I enjoy watching you, mate. I appreciate that. I appreciate you for being in tune with us, getting the free knowledge, free information, all that. Guys, let's look at oh wait, you know what? Look at this, guys. I just realized about something with NASDAQ. Actually, hold on. I didn't realize this until I seen this. Liquidity phase is going to take this liquidity out. I guess this was, oh yeah. This is a range. This was my midpoint. It seems like it just wanted to tap into my midpoint right here. Usually when market taps into my midpoint, I need it to pull back and do the exact same thing, meaning that it has to create the endpoint of the range, pull back if it wants to tap the extreme, and then that's when I like to enter. But what I was saying with NASDAQ is that we just took liquidity out right here, tapped into a midpoint, PY level, and we about to take this liquidity out next, right here. So we're going to be going up. Goodness gracious, man. So much volume with this trade right now, NASDAQ right now. Is GJ moving in our favor or not? Hold on. When people be saying that, I'll be interested to see what it be doing actually. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, now my anxiety is super high with this trade because I did not wait on fucking momentum. And this is how a lot of traders feel when they get in every trade. And this is why they be like, oh, I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna get out, I'm gonna get out. Because you didn't wait on your actual setup. If you had a setup, right? Or you didn't wait on your plan. If you had a plan, I'm telling you guys, that's real facts. That's how I feel right now with this trade. But my rule still applies. When I'm in a trade, I gotta let it hit my stop loss. Knowing I already know my risk, I already know what I got myself into when I got in it. That's how I felt yesterday with NASDAQ when everybody saying, oh, I'm gonna get out the trade. I'm like, y'all can do that. I feel you. I understand. Right? But for me, I have a rule and I'm gonna stick by my rule. Regardless if 99 people tell me something else, I'm sticking by my rule. Cause I'm gonna be that 1%. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta make sure y'all stick by your rule, as no matter how many people is telling you to do this, do that. You got to. What we was looking at? We was looking at NASDAQ. Well, let's look at NASDAQ real fast. So NASDAQ, like I said, we are doing that liquidity phase thing. And we're gonna take out these highs. Said it yesterday too. Everybody telling me, I had like 5 people message me like, why are you buying NASDAQ right now? Maybe they might have thought of it because of the news, whatever, but I'm just telling you, like, it's because it's doing a liquidity phase. Right? It did. If you guys were tuned in yesterday, I had a stop loss right here. It did tap out, but for myself, when we got out of live, I actually remained in it because I'm like, yeah, nah. If it goes down, it's gonna be a spike, and it's definitely going up. It's just the easiest setup of liquidity that I see. It's manipulating the fuck out of everybody, right? We took liquidity out of here. When we take liquidity out the highs first, that means we're gonna go up longer term, which we did. But we got to take the liquidity lows out next. That's exactly what happened. Everybody wants to buy because they see a break of structure. So they're like, break of structure, I'm buying it. Okay, that's cool. But just want you to know something, that right here, we got liquidity, and you got to think like a banker. You got to think like a bank. Think how they think. When they create these equal lows, we all are retail traders, right? This is where the smart money, dumb money comes in play. This is what I really mean. I don't like saying that. I think that's the most hostile shit to say. But what I will say is this. Think like a banker. They created this not for support or resistance. This is not support or resistance. Hell, this is not even a supply demand level in their eyes. This is not an order block. This is not a key level. I kid you not. All this is to them is money. They know 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. Let's just do 100 million. 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, 400 million is resting right here. What? Like, come on now. They are looking for that, and then they're going to take it out, and then boom. They're going to now go back in favor because the original thought process was we went up. Okay? Yeah, guys, liquidity one. TP1 is about to smash. I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, it should be melt. This should be melting too because it's got to come here. This is where I'm looking for entries. Let's be patient, y'all. Y'all know how the market is. It'll be like 5 pips for my TP, and then we all get excited, and we come back and it's like, damn, we negative. Like what? So we got chill a little bit. We got chill. Once I see the money, I'll be up. It's just like when you actually get a yes for a sale, but you got to make sure the transaction is complete. That's when you should congratulate yourself. That's how I feel with the market. Everybody say yes, but it doesn't. Transaction doesn't complete. I don't see the money. But anyway, guys, back while we waiting on GJ to head down. Guys, I'm gonna do this though. I'm gonna put an alert right here because my TP is our price difference. There's a lot of price difference with TradingView and some of the brokers y'all have. So I'm gonna just move mine here, and then once I see that alert, I'm out. But I'm still gonna be riding my other. I'm in three trades right now with GJ, so I'm gonna be riding my other trades. I gotta get on my OspreyFX funded account to see that trade too. Okay. Do you play Warzone solo? Man, I swear to gosh, I need to get. I'm gonna get Warzone. I don't, but I need to get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I swear I'm gonna get it. I love that game. I'm taking my profit. I'm out. Good. That's what's up, Michelle. Do you? That's what's up. Congrats on making profit to begin with. Hold on. Okay. If y'all see here, right here, y'all see that little move right there? Let me. Say now I play Apex. Why I do? No, don't reset. Play Apex. I don't know. But guys, with NASDAQ, I'm waiting on a pullback after I find this range because it's gonna take this liquidity. If it, which is already on a run, but if it takes this liquidity out, which could definitely happen. I see it happen all the time with indices. If it takes this liquidity out before pulling back, then I'm not in this trade at all. But I'm in this trade. You made $70 profit, you out. That's what's up. That's what's up. Make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hit the like button, everybody. So all right, guys. I'm a little disappointed right now. Y'all know why I'm disappointed right now. We got over 500 people watching, but we don't have the likes up. Y'all know how I get, right? Y'all know how I get, right? Y'all know how I get, right? So I'm gonna need everybody that is currently on my channel, on my stream, to like this mofo video. Y'all see what we got going on. Y'all see what we doing, but y'all not showing mass support. I need us to get this to 400 likes. 450 likes. If y'all not tapping in, then y'all missing out. 450 likes. They trying to finesse me. We not playing the finesse game. Y'all can't finesse me, man. I'm gonna need these likes to go up because this is crazy. This is pretty crazy. I'm a very dramatic person too, so yeah, we we got a problem. I see we just tapped did we tap 400 likes? Yeah, we did. Just about. But we didn't hit 450 though. I love it. 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 All right, guys. GJ. Somebody said they made $792 on a risky trade. every trade is risky, but this one was just risky because I didn't get my full momentum actual play of action. But everything else played out beautiful. I must have bad eyesight, because why does it just say 400, 500? What the heck? Hold on. All right, guys. I just TP'd. I am riding my other trades, though. Come on, bro. Stop playing with us. TP1 is fucking smashed. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out too, but I'm riding the other one. And if the trade goes left, I still made $10. So let me show you guys something. I'm in this trade still for TP2. As y'all see, I don't see. Hold on. Right here. But I just took TP1. I was actually in another GJ trade. Forgot that one, so I texted that one out. But $400 off that one. If this trade goes left, I still make $10 in this trade. This is what I mean by the risk management. If it goes in my favor, I'm up $400 on this trade. So we're going to see. That is how we play these trades through. On my funded account, I actually just decided to take RTP and leave it alone. On my funded account, that's I got a $10,000 funded account. Not really a big fan of trading funded accounts, because I like to high risk. I like to do more than a 5% risk. All right, guys, let me go ahead and one win for the day. If y'all like these streams, man, I need everybody to go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure y'all go ahead and drop a fire emoji. I need all of y'all to go ahead and drop fire emoji. Let's let YouTube know that solo shit lit. You said I can see GJ going to TP2 because it's a 5-minute demand there. That's what I'm saying, right? I can see that too. And then too, my Fibonacci aligns perfectly with your demand level. Look, all of this right here. Look what's resting right here. Perfect, right? Perfect, right? I got my stop loss like somewhere around here though. So like this is a risk-free trade right now. I do 1 to 500. I just do 1 to 500. It's the fact that they still give you the ability. See, like if you didn't have the ability to add your own risk, then the leverage will mean so much. But leverage also still means a lot. But it's just like you can. Why not go for? Don't go for nothing crazy though. But why not go for the standard 1 to 500 that a lot of people do, and you can always adjust your stop loss. You know. I know a lot of traders like to go 1 to 100, 1 to 50, 1 to 200, 1 to 300. It's up to you. It really just comes down to what you're actually risking once you get in an actual trade. It says, where did you learn your strategy? I'm be honest with you. This strategy is a mixture of Elliott wave, smart money concept, whack off theory, and Fibonacci, market structure and price action. I just made my own spin to it. When I talk about the liquidity phase, when I talk about midpoint and extreme, that's all my spin right there. And I'm just teaching it to you guys for free 99, of course. But if y'all ever want details on everything, specific details, and you actually need help on really want to know, that's where the VIP is at. That's where the mentorships is at, which is closed right now. But yeah, that's where all of that stuff is at. I learned from Google. All right, so I'll say this. When I first started trading, I did take a Q Banks course. I know a lot of y'all might know him, Forever and Profit. But it was really basics that I got off of him and everything. And then I kind of did a lot of self-taught though. I did a lot of self-taught. I tapped into a lot of wave theory. I tapped into a lot of fibs, how to use this, how to use that. So yeah, guys, so today is the last day of the giveaway. So for those that is unaware of what the hell I'm saying right now, we're doing a 10K giveaway, free giveaway account with OspreyFX. You guys got to make sure you follow all those steps that's posted on my chat. Also, it's in my description. Make sure you guys tap into that. We're supposed to be announcing the winner today, but if not, we're going to do it tomorrow for sure. But today is the last final day. So good luck to each and everyone that had participated in that. Were you dissipated? What the hell? Were you disappointed you got in this GJ trade too early? That's a good. I like that one, Jojo. I like how you said that. So I'm gonna say this. I was a little bit, I would say disappointed, but not disappointed because I didn't wait on my setup. But the thing about that is that I only seen this, and that's not all momentum I want to see. If I was on a 5 minute, this would have been my entry candle there. If I was on a 1 minute, my entry candle would have been here. If I was on a 2 minute, my entry candle, I don't know where my entry candle would have been. It would have been here, but I would have been like, it's too late. So it possibly would have been that one. But if I would have seen this on a 2 minute, but this on a 1 minute, I would have stayed on a 1 minute. So yeah, that's a mistake for me, because if it went left, I would have been like, yeah, guys, see, I should have waited on all momentum. So great fucking question. I never had somebody that said something like that. I like how you think. Show the gratitude for real, man. Let's get this to 500 likes, y'all. Oh, what's that NAS trade doing? Oh yeah, I'm waiting on this. This is what I'm trying to see. It come down, tap into this point right here, and then boom, it's up. Man made 3K in that trade. Damn, that's what's up. I just love hearing that y'all getting so much gems off this, and it's inspiring y'all in so many ways, man. That's what I want. Is GJ trade still available? Yeah, I'll wait on the pullback. I'll wait on more of a pullback. I'm still riding this one, only on my personal account, because I just got so much like leverage on this one where I can just do whatever the fuck I want. On my funded account, I got out of it. Oh, what about euro yen? Yeah, we are tapped into my levels, but we got a lot that we got to be cautious of. We got, let's see. We got this level here. Come down, we got all of this here too. So it's going to be going up, but right now we got, this is what I mean by momentum, guys. Look how much momentum it was driving down, right? I need to see something like this. It just can't be one engulfing candle. It's got to be like another engulfing, maybe some wick rejections, it possibly pulling back down, giving me more wick rejections, dojis. And once I see that, maybe I don't need an engulfing candle next, but once I see that, that's when I enter. That's why I say I don't just enter in every engulfing candle. I look at momentum, and that's literally what I mean by momentum. Your TP1 just hit. That's what's up. Yes, it is. I never see you trade it. You know what? You're right, Frank. I don't think I ever really traded it live. I'm gonna be honest with you. Why? I don't know, honestly. It's just that I don't know. I think it's because with Euro, it's kind of like just a little slow for me. Yeah, guys, we taking this liquidity out. I'm gonna just tell you this right now. We already took this. They see that we tapped into another liquidity phase. They made even more money, and now right here they want to make some more money, but they gonna pull back first because it's too expensive. They know like we gotta pull back, guys. It's just unrealistic for us to just keep going up. We can't afford it. They can't afford it. Let's see the drop, which we're seeing now. You only trade 3 Forex pair. So yeah, I like to focus on 3 pairs. So like my focus chart is, I'm trying to decide if I want to be. I'm trying to decide between these two, right? That's why I got these two. I'm trying to see which one is going to be my new bay or my remaining bay. Song name in the background. I don't know. Let me see if I can see. It is a dope little vibe song. Hold on, what just happened? It's called Our Jam by Sam. Nah, that's funny. You said dream car or current car? It's more like semi-dream car. Yeah, but no, not my current though. That color. So the actual like the mods on it is what I really want. I want the mods. If y'all see that, that's what I want. The color, I love green. Blue is my favorite, but green is another color I like too, and I just like how that looks. So I had to save it because I'm a damn near copy that whole joint if I decide to get that car. You said no Lambo? I like the Lambo. The yours? Nah, SUV is definitely what I'm leaning towards. I'm actually leaning towards the I don't know. There's so much I'm leaning towards right now. Yeah, Nas is no, I think you said you got a RSQ8 or somebody said they had a RSQ8 or a Q8, not a RSQ8 but a Q8. I don't know who said they had it. I remember somebody was telling me they had one. I like Jaguars, not a big fan of it. It looks slick though. I'm more of a sporty guy. You got the RSQ8. That's what's up. You gotta tell me how it is, how it is, and all things like that. I'm a big fan of the Benz too. The 63 coupe. Neil, show me a picture of your RSQ8. Did you do anything to it, or is it just stock? Audi Spider? Nah, definitely not in that. Got an Evo X. That's what's up. Money, 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 money. Re-entry on GJ. Nah, just send it to Discord. Put it on Discord. You can send it to me or just put it on anywhere in Discord. But re-entry will have to be anywhere off this range. We got 2 ranges though. Shit, we got a bigger range too, but this is our midpoint and our extreme. So if you want to look on the re-entry, it will actually be coming in a little bit if momentum tells you that. All right, cool. I am getting an F-150 through my business. That's actually the car that I'm going to get through my business. F-150. I love F-150s. Man, it's crazy. The older I get, the more I realize that I don't know how to explain it, but I really don't know how to explain it. I remember when I was super young and shit, I always wanted like a crazy ass, flashy ass, neon light car. It's just like, now I just want to be low key about all my shit. The course is $149 and $299, depending on which one you get. How do I find my POI levels? I just look for order blocks, supply demand. That's a POI level. What is this? Need for Speed? Hey, that was my number one game. That's where I got that's where I became a little car enthusiastic geek. Love from India, welcome. We can get to talking about cars forever. Like, for real, I can get to talking about mods, what you got. I'll get a Honda Civic on y'all, and I'll be all y'all with y'all cars, whatever car y'all got. I'll mod that racer. Man. Yeah, NASDAQ is going up. I just always get iffy with these reactions with NASDAQ though. I like the Infinities too. If you say so, E. All right, guys. I'm trying to figure this trade out with NASDAQ. It's this momentum that's kind of throwing me off right now. Yeah, guys. I needed to come to my extreme in order for me to say this is the trade I want to take. Let it come to my extreme because I want my stop loss to be right here. TP1. Can we get TP1 to be here? 1-on-1 trade. Oh, this is beautiful. TP2. 1 or 2. Oh, nice. And then from here, we can take it to the moon if we want to. But it's got to come down here, though. This is my setup, man. Because it did tap in here. Like, I see this, too, where it tapped in my midpoint. That little dot, what we can call it. By going to 30 seconds. Notice how in the 30 seconds. It tapped into here too. Like this is one of those trades. Let me see something, y'all. Hold on. I got a feeling NASDAQ is about to react off this and shut up. If I was to get in this trade, it would have to be the most smallest lot though. But y'all see how I'm trading though, right? This is my setup. As I'm talking out loud, I want y'all to understand this is what I do on a regular basis. This is how I figure out my entries. So I just want y'all to know I'm speaking out loud purposely. Just honest to God, my setup has to be like, this is cool. Midpoint, it did tap in my midpoint. And I always say, if it does tap in your midpoint, look for a higher low, higher high to be. I guess this is what we call a high right here. We broke it. We wait on it to pull back into a midpoint or extreme again, which is really this here. And then we look for momentum. It's just that since this is NASDAQ, I'm very aware of the volume that it is, volatile it could be. And I'm usually not a big fan of doing 30-second entries on indices. But this is the play of action for any other pair too. You know, this will be the play of action for any other pair. But just for NASDAQ, this is the only thing I'm like iffy about. I want it, if it taps in here, then I would feel way more comfortable with this trade. Otherwise, I'm not forcing the trade. Just to let y'all know, I'm not forcing the trade. My setup still applies here as well as here. So not forcing the trade. Me forcing the trade, but I'm just buy it. Like, really, because of why? I still got my same strategy applies now if I wanted to buy it. It's just, I'm just thinking of my risk. Because it's like, if I enter now, stop loss there, 1-on-1 trade will still be here. My stop loss got to be here. This is not a 1-on-1 trade for me, then. I'm not taking a trade. Nope, I'm not taking a trade. All my rules just won't apply right there. If it can come back in this area again with buyer's momentum, stop loss here, that's perfect. I already know this would be good. Hell, 1 or 2, even better. Well, I'm not considering the vertical resistance. Seems like your style depends mainly on horizontal breaks. Vertical, are we referring to what? You got to be more specific. Are you referring to, yeah, you got to be more specific. This is what you're talking about? Jojo, are you in my Discord? Can you send me your chart? And what's your Discord name? I want to look out for yours. Send me what you're talking about. All right, yeah, I do look at that. But I don't look at it as resistance or support, brother. I don't. I look at it, it's hard to explain it. I look at it as a breakout, right? And then if I see equal highs and equal lows, that's when you start seeing me do these vertical things, but I'm not looking at it as resistance or support. I'm not. I don't look at it like that. So I think I know what you're talking about. If you're talking about all this too, like this, I get what you're talking about. And that is liquidity being built up. I get that. Yeah, I get that. But I don't look at it like that, though. I really don't. And that's a great fucking eye that you've seen, Jojo, by the way. This is all liquidity on a 30-second time frame. But I know anything on a super small time frame, it's going to instantly break out of it and grab it quick. But you got a great eye. I like that. I like that. Any ideas on gold or you out? Nah, there's nothing on gold right now. Let me take my TP shirt on NAS. Yeah, my setup, like I said, my setup would be here, but I'm just not seeing it. So I just feel way more better waiting on it to come here. Go to shit go equals I'm just waiting on it to tap in here because it's just going to be a better opportunity for me overall. I'm still in the GJ trade too, so you know I'm still riding that one strong, coming close to TP actually. As you guys see, we already took profit earlier. So with this trade right here, this was a NASDAQ trade I told you guys about yesterday. This is a playlist right now. All right, guys. So as you now see, we got to start adjusting our highs and our lows. This is our new high right now. For sure, I'm going to just wait on it to come back to this area. Let me put an alert. If it doesn't, it is what it is. But that's what I got. What do I think about CAD? I don't even trade that. You see, I know most YouTubers stop after 20th. What are you referring to? I missed something. Oh, you said when do you stop streaming? Oh. Okay. This is my first time streaming in December, so I can't really tell you. But yeah, I'm not gonna be streaming a lot during the holiday, like when we get closer to not Thanksgiving but Christmas and New Year's. So yeah, probably roughly around the 20th. It's probably like the month of chill. Or the week of chilling. Spending time with the fam and all that fun stuff. Guys, let's go ahead and get these likes up. Let's go ahead and tap into 500 likes. I know we got a lot of people tuning in, right? And we just got to get the likes up. So let's go ahead and get this to 500 likes. Let's get it, baby. Let's run them likes up. Guys, let's get 500 likes. I'm going to be right back. We're going to get 500 likes, but I'm going to be right back. Oh, y'all dope for that. Yep, NASDAQ is heading up from the midpoint. We about to get close to smashing TP2, y'all. The insight on gold, really nothing right now. Hey, everybody in the VIP, send y'all charts. Let's start tapping into some other stuff. Is it like dropping or just doing a little drop? It's just doing a little drop. Yeah, let it drop, please. Let it drop to our extreme point. This is what we want. Let it do it. I see that we got a slight small liquidity phase about to happen, which seems like it possibly might have happened, or it's just building up more liquidity. My red lines represent my TP levels. Your TP2 hit on what? What did your TP2 hit on? On GJ? Oh shit, my TP2 just hit too. Oh shit, let's go. Yeah, I got you. The volume down a little bit. I just realized it was still out. Yeah, we just smashed TP2 on my broker. Go for TP3. Why not? Go for as far as you want, guys. This is what I literally say. This is how you have the proper compounding strategy and growing an account. Right? We smashed TP as y'all see here. Well, entries was here. I did do another entry here though. That was other, like, yeah, whatever. That was this $18 one. But yeah, guys, we up. Account profit is at 18K. We got $16,000 on this account. Holy shit, man, this is amazing. Swear to gosh, never thought we'll be up this fast. It's my personal account bigger than my funded account. Y'all want to know why I barely trade my funded account? And if I had a 100K account, I'm basically trading $10,000. $200K account, I'm basically trading 20K. 400K account, I'm basically trading 40K. When I can rather take my 4,000 and flip that into my own and go from there. Yeah, by the end of this year, that's my goal, to get this to 40. No, it's not. I don't want to say that, because if I say that, I'm going to be really trying to get in fucking crazy-ass lot sizes. That's why I don't say that, guys. It's a mental thing you got to tell yourself out loud. Like, do not say I need to get 1,000 in a week. Do not say I need to get this in a... You can't say that, because the moment you say that, I just felt like right when I said that, I just got eager to do a 10 lot size right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't need to do all that. I don't. TP2, man, everybody, if y'all in that trade, if I was y'all, I would just get out. I would get out, man. TP2 is definitely hit. At this point, honest to God, guys, at this point, ride it risk-free. This is how you compound a fucking account. You just keep riding it. TP3 is my 165. No, I lied. Let me bring it back. My 165.770. Yes, move that stop loss to TP1, guys. TP1 was right here. So if you were, if this was me in this instance, if I had another trade, which I did, but it was a later entry, so that didn't count. But if I had 3 trades, what I would have done was took my first trade out once TP1 smashed, ride the second trade to TP2, and that one just smashed. So I made 400 off the first TP, and I made another. It should have been 800, but I did a smaller lot size because I didn't want to risk too much. So I did 400 off this one, and then if I was to do TP3 just to make sure my risk is still set, I probably would have did another standard, or maybe half of a standard, which is 0.50, and that would have brought me to another possibly $400. So if it went in our favor, if it went left, I probably would have still profit $100 off that. This is what I mean by having a crazy risk to reward strategy. At the end of the day, whatever you guys can do to make the trade risk free once it hits TP1 or that 101, I don't care. Rather if that's getting out all of your trades, or you just moving your stop loss to break even to ride it further on, regardless of whatever it is. Only setup that I see right now is this, if we can get it to do anything. Do we ride it back up? Hell no. No. There's no reason why we riding it back up right now. I don't see that. Once it comes to these levels, then we can possibly look for that move up. But not right now, though. Because my overall picture is up. I shared this in the VIP for those that seen this. Make sure you guys look at it. I fuck with this beat right here. I'm Ruff, you send me your chart. This is what I see happening on NAS. Let's see if I can pull it up. He is one of our educational members, guys, by the way. And I'm gonna see what you got, brother. Hold on. Hey, are you in here? Like, what's your name on here? I'm curious. You have a different name on here? I don't know. But I don't know if you even on here. But anyway, what time frame are you looking at? 1 minute. Yeah, I see the same thing that we got. We can come to this extreme point right here that I see you got marked up. I see you got an alert here and here. That's dope. Yeah, this is exactly how I see NAS right now too. And then Key or K or what? Who? Someone else send me something. Let me see. Okay, K. Let's see what you got. USD CAD. Oh, you know what? I've been tweaking on USD. I need to start tapping in on USD CAD. I've been liking how they move with structure. This is a fire setup. Your setups is always on point, by the way. So you got this this is a key level. This is all liquidity. So we could actually but I don't see any liquidity at the highs yet. So it's kind of like, I don't know about this one right here. It might not be a liquidity phase, but this is an extreme point. I could see it breaking out that high, coming back, retesting it, and then shooting up. Dope. I like it. I love it. Guys, once again, if you are not in the Discord, I'm going to send out the link again. What about gold? I promise you, man, y'all saying something. I don't really see anything with gold right now. I'm telling y'all, I really don't. Y'all really trying to have me like say something with gold, but I don't see nothing right now with gold. I really don't see anything with gold right now. As much as I want to, because gold is literally my #1 favorite pair to trade, I don't see anything. The fact that it's just shooting up. It's just shooting up. This is all I got is my range. I see we could tap into my midpoint, but I got to make sure we break out the lows first. And on a higher scale, the only thing that got me really confused about it is that we did break liquidity out these highs first, so we could be heading up long term. But I don't know if we're going to. Let me do this. I don't know if we're going to come all the way down here though again. I really don't know. Because at this point, I'm looking at it to go up now. Just based off of this right here. And then we do have, let me see, 4-hour play. Yeah, we have no equal lows resting anywhere right now. That's why I'm so just thrown off with this one. I just know it's going up. We did tap into a midpoint off this range from here to here. But other than that, I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. Nothing. I'm not trading out USD. Trying to see what we got for NAS though. I see now we got liquidity build up on a 1 minute time frame. Y'all look. Look at all this. And look at all this. Which way should we break out first? Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna either go up or go. Oh no, shit. Never mind. We went down instantly. But let's see. Let's wait on the full play though and see, because it could still be a liquidity, new liquidity being built. But let's see. That is funny. That motherfucker just said, "Yeah, I got you, E." We're gonna go down first. Okay, it's cool. Today was a crazy day. Green, red, then green again. Gotta know when to stop. I feel you, man. See, now this is where it just got interesting. It is. See, right now it's trying to build up some liquidity right now. This wick, unless it does a full displacement. So I don't know. Nasdaq it looks like it's just doing this consolidation right now. We here for the greens. I know, right? Everyone loves green. I do trade US 30. It's just US 30 for the past 2 weeks. It's been really choppy to me. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I appreciate that. Dollar got me disappointed right now. It looks like they still want to drop. This was my weekly zone. Or was it? Yeah. It's kind of like sheesh. Can we tap in here next? Oh, it's locked. Can we tap in here next? I mean, goodness gracious. If you saying like highest trade, I don't really keep track of that, cause I take multiple trades a day. Cause I really be scalping, man. I really be scalping. Nah, I trade Asian and London when I'm up. I appreciate it. You really like my trading skill. What charts really respect technical analysis? In my opinion, gold. That's why I like gold. It's frustrating all the time. I'm off. Okay, no, I see you. Peace. Dope card too. I seen the pictures. Dope. Patrick, I got sales on US 30 NAS and GJ. Okay. Oh, Patrick, you seen your chart markup too, I see. I'm looking at it. Yeah, I see it heading down, man. I definitely see it heading down for sure. So are you in a scalp right now? Are you like scalping now? Gotta be scalping now, I would assume. Martin, I'm looking at yours right now with gold. Trying to understand the what you got going on with it, but you might need to send like more info on that one because I'm just trying to figure this one out. Are you looking to come to that? Let me share this. Are you looking to come to here and then shoot up or what? Ban what guy? What happened? Ban this guy solo. Who? Oh, love. Yeah, plugged in. You gotta chill out. Otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna ban you, brother. What's poppin', Apple? Well, you said GJ finally TP like the TP2, the trading view TP I originally had. Oh my god, y'all! If y'all riding this to TP3, man, the drop in this is no joke. Yeah, this is probably going to keep going down because we got other liquidity that needs to be taken. Yeah, only thing that's moving right now is the yen pairs. That's a fucking fact. I was saying this yesterday too, y'all. I was like, only thing I really see me trading is yen pairs. And look, we was actually able to get in one. NASDAQ too, but it's choppy right now. It's building up liquidity. So if we start like seeing this is what I mean by liquidity being built up. Boom, we building up liquidity, y'all. Liquidity is where money is resting. Nah, I don't trade that one. I'm sticking to what I like. I plugged in. If you keep sending the same message, this is your last warning. Because if you're doing it for attention, you making a mistake right now. Shoot, the better the euro yen comes further down, the better it is for me, because I'm gonna have even a tighter stop loss. Better stop loss for me. Liquidity needs to rest on my account. Do you think use is going to rest liquidity go up? Yeah, it's going to. I see it going up though, y'all. I do see yen going up, because if let's tap into yen real fast. I need to add euro to my list, but well, it's seeing that yen is already. Oh, actually, hold on, y'all. Y'all see something? I see something right now. Look at all of this liquidity. Yen is going to grab this liquidity. Yen is definitely going to take this liquidity. Once it comes up, it's going to come up to these highs and take it. So if yen's going up, that means that euro yen is going to be going down. But if we look closely back at yen again, going a smaller scale, like a 15-minute, you guys see that right here to here, we got a range. We're going to get that pullback. So it's kind of like when we get that drop with yen, we're going to see euro go up. And then two, we got a bigger range that we do see. And it could even retest this before it actually heads up and break that. So right there, with this pullback, this is when we should be seeing euro yen actually heading up. Yeah. But shoot, if yen wants to keep heading up, then we got to start looking at some other levels of this range from here to here. Yeah, only thing I see right now, if we can tap in, is this NASDAQ trade, man. Just curious, how do you know currency is going in what direction? Overall bias. Look at the daily time frame. I talk about the daily time frame being your freight train. You against the freight train, who's winning? So whatever the daily bias is, that's kind of what you're gonna see. All right, yeah, we're going down right now with NAS. We're dropping. Possibly we can start looking for some entries. This is what I want to see though. Yeah, I send it out. Yeah, I do that alerts with everyone so they can all get it. How do I narrow down all of this info into a trade? I mean, it's kind of like me. It's kind of like how you see I am right now when I'm taking trades as I talk. When I take the trade, yeah, you can say with practice. Something I just can't say right off the rip. Definitely takes time to understand how the market moves. All right, BK, I'll see you. BK Media, I'll see you later. Right now, I'm interested in this NASDAQ trade for a buy. He said Solo knows his stuff, makes it look easy. It's just the time I put in and after I put into the charts to get to where I'm at. Hey Solo, do you sleep? Yeah, I do. I do. Don't we have news? Hold on, y'all. I should have sworn it all had happened. I know we got some news tomorrow. It's about to be lit tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. NASDAQ is about to be doing some shit tomorrow. Oh, no, fuck that. I need more than that. No, I didn't enter in NASDAQ right now. All my red lines are my TP levels, by the way, for those that don't know what the red lines are. These are all my TP levels. I just got this set here. It's not really accurate, though. NFP is tomorrow. I believe it's non-farmers payroll tomorrow. Yeah, guys, this is not enough power right here to tell me to buy. Once I see an engulfing candle, that's not enough power to tell me to buy. For those that don't really understand momentum, I would say just start tapping in on a 5-minute time frame and look for entries. Because all this stuff that I look for in a 1 minute could literally be a 1 candle engulfing candle in a 15-minute. But your entry will probably be up here though. That's the only thing about that. Yeah, I'm gonna be on I'll be on live tomorrow, VIP only. You said Euro Yen buy? Nah, not chat. I can tell you that right now. Nowhere near a buy. We actually dropping more. Yeah, man, I explain momentum all the time. Guys, let's get the likes up. Let's go ahead and hit 600 likes. I know we got a lot of new people tapped in. If you guys are new to my channel, we go live every day. Just don't do Fridays, only VIP mainly that day. But we go live, and on my lives, guys, you see what we got going on with our live trades. You see what we got going on with the overall trades. If you are new to my channel, I am in the midst of growing hold on. Why does it look like that? What in the world is going on? I'm in the midst of growing a $4,000 account, right? And basically, goodness gracious, y'all, I don't know what is going on. And basically, in the midst of me growing this account, I'm trying to turn it to 40K, right? And that's the overall. So if you guys want to tap in and get a lot of free knowledge, great gems, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like the video. We got to get this to 600 likes. We got to get this to 600 likes. Need everybody to go ahead and tap in and hit the like button. I'm being honest with y'all. This 2-minute candle that's looking beautiful, I'm not gonna get in it, just because I know NAS. I know NAS. I need more momentum. Oh, I don't know if I said I started with 40,000. I swear I don't know what I said. But I meant to say this. Let me re-say this. I don't know what I said. I started off with $4,000 in this account. Profit, we made a total of 18K. I already took out 6,000 to make this account risk free. And right now the balance is sitting at 16 fucking K. Crazy. I have a funded account I'm currently working on too. It's only 10K. But working on that right now as well. And yeah, man, I'm just like I said, guys, make sure you subscribe, because if you aren't, you're going to be missing out on a lot of fucking gems. No, I'm not in NAS. That 2-minute, I just know how NAS is. I need more momentum. I promise you, I see this happen so often where you get that. That's why I say, guys, it's not really about an engulfing candle. It's more to momentum than just in one engulfing candle. Man, hey, Sway, we gonna get you off work real soon, brother. Where you can be focusing on this 24/7, or as long as you want. You can post the indicator in the Discord if you want. However, guys, speaking of that, if you guys haven't heard of Chart Prime, you definitely want to tap in on them. I know I talk about them a lot in a lot of my videos. I do use them when I'm mainly on the phone, but as y'all see right now, I do have the isolator right here, right? And I love this joint. It's like all in one play, right? It's a beautiful indicator. They actually have a lot more than that. As you see here, they got the candlestick patterns, the chart patterns, like wave theory, market oracle is another favorite one. They even got the support resistance. They got a lot of different things. So guys, yeah, make sure you tap in. The link is in the description if you guys want to get more involved with them for sure. But yeah, tap in. Yeah, Patrick, I definitely see you use them too a lot, man. It's a dope thing. It's a dope indicator. What lot size do I use? Mine's very depending on what I'm trying to risk, but it's anywhere from a standard to 5 standards. Anywhere between 1 to 5 standards, yeah. So 1, 3, or 5 usually. See, a lot of y'all are now tapping in on a Discord. Inducement. What you say inducement for? Oh, I see. I'm reading something. Yeah, make sure y'all tapped into the Discord, man. We provide a lot of knowledge within each other in our Discord. Patrick, where you were the one that did the 8 lots accidentally though, right? You're gonna definitely get there. So you guys see what NASDAQ right now, like I said, I'm waiting on this buy. It is fluctuating. It's also because of the time too. But it is fluctuating though. Guys, we don't have 600 likes, but I know we got a lot of new people that just tapped in. Let's get this 600 likes up, y'all. I know we got a lot of new people that just tapped in. How long it take me to be profitable my 4th year? We are currently waiting on NASDAQ. NASDAQ to hit that drop. Y'all talking about gold. Still don't see nothing with it. Still won't see nothing with it right now. Euro is still dropping, so we're gonna wait to see what that got going on. Anybody still in GJ? I love y'all. Y'all got us to 600 likes. See, that's what's up, man. I appreciate y'all for doing that. Anybody still in GJ? Man. Talk about what? Goodness gracious. Salute to y'all. Y'all still in it. That's what's up. Y'all holding it till 6. You say you holding it to 615,700. Okay. You going down here with it. Going for the big one. That's what's up. Make sure it's risk free. Y'all should already be profit, or y'all should just be risk free. Yeah, GJ is the only thing moving right now while we wait on NAS. Hopefully. Oh wait, hold on. What this is looking like? Yeah, while we just wait on this one, we gotta wait on this one. What is my? Yeah, guys, definitely Nasdaq. Yeah, I think Nasdaq is going to be moving sideways for a bit too because of the time. So, you know, just be cautious of trading Nasdaq. I mean, this is definitely an entry for sure once the 2-minute play is done. But I mean, I do see it playing with some people's emotions if they decide to get in Nasdaq. So Nasdaq did just make its move. This is too big for me. I'm not gonna get in it. I'm not gonna get in Nasdaq. I didn't know it was gonna be that big. I need another pullback, and I know it's gonna happen, but I'm not in it right now. I was gonna get in it, but damn. Yeah, I'm pretty sure US 30 is probably gonna be the same exact setup. No, it's crazy that y'all in this joint. Still in this joint. I love it. EJ setup ain't happening right now. Yeah, all that. I provide VIP signals and all that. I mean, I provide all VIP chat room access. It's all down in the link. Guys, if y'all not tapped in on my Instagram, make sure y'all tap in on my Instagram. Kenny, it's your first time? Oh, wait, what you talking about? First time on here or just something else? BI, yeah, I am a full-time trader. Yes. Thanks for sharing the knowledge. No problem, man. Thank you for tuning in. I see NASDAQ going up. Kenny, welcome, man. Welcome. NASDAQ is going up. Dang it. I don't know if any of y'all got in this, but I missed out on this one. Really didn't miss out, but I just want more of a pullback. And if it does, cool, I'm in it. But if it doesn't, I ain't in it, and I'm not gonna force myself in it. Let's see what is. My TPs would be the red lines. It's all where the liquidity is resting. I see a range though, man. Let this range complete. From here to here. Got another entry there. I see what you're saying with the liquidity too. Thing is, we kind of took liquidity as well. Like, we got this liquidity that we got to look at too. I already took all of that. And it wants to take this next. I still believe it's going down too. I definitely believe it's going down too. The reason why I think it's going down is because the liquidity took in here first going down. However, though, we did take this liquidity, the bigger scale. You got to always focus on the bigger scale, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, don't just look at the lower scale and think that it's going to be that way. Bigger scale is we took this liquidity out downwards first. So usually when we take liquidity going down first, means we're going to be going down longer term. However, before we head down, it looks like we have liquidity up here that we got to tap into. Okay, zoom in. I see we got this here. Liquidity broke down first. It's got to break this liquidity next. So what I might see is this. It might tap TP1, react off of this midpoint right here, and then come back down. And then maybe possibly come further down. We don't really have liquidity, a lot of liquidity build up here, but it could come further down from here. I don't know where it could go yet. I don't know yet, but and then start heading back up. That's my thought process on NASDAQ right now. And then if y'all look, even if y'all look here, this is the midpoint off of this range. So I mean, we can even come further down to this point, because remember, NASDAQ should be dropping and overall. Like, we got this point and this point. We got 3 points. We already tapped this point, but we got this point and this point. So this is why I believe everything I said, you know, it coming here then shooting down. It can possibly come back here, or it can come back further down and come here and then come further down. So that is my bias for NAS100. So that's really how I feel right now with it. But if anything changed, I'm gonna post it in the chat room. But that's how I feel right now at this given time, as far as what I see in front of us. I'm sure you're in this trade. You sure about that? Cause I don't see an entry. I'm not in this trade. Even on my other account, I'll show you right now, I'm not in this trade. Not in it. You stuck in GU. That's why you want me to go over it, man. I mean, look, just I don't really see anything going on with any other things right now. What besides that NASDAQ, I'm waiting on that drop. And I kind of want to see what happens from there. Is GJ valid for sales? Man, you missed out. We still riding this. Some still. I'm out. But some still riding it. I'm out. There's nothing going on with GU right now. But you can do this. Post your GU markup on the in the chat room. Post your GU markup in the chat room. I got out 3% profit, Patrick. Ooh, that's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, NAS did go up. I mean, like I said earlier, it's beautiful, and I swear, like, my intensity was say, I need to get in, but I'm not, man. I have a rule, and I promise you, that rule, you have to stick by that shit. You got to. Just like what I tell everybody, if you want to come in this Forex shit, trying to flip money fast, or you want to be rich fast, or whatever it is, you shit like this is what you're going to get into. That's why I always say, whatever other income you got, make sure you have that shit, because otherwise, if I know a lot of people will quit their 9 to 5 right now and start this shit. This is what I be saying, like, because you'll be forceful to get yourself into something, because this is all you got. Because this can go left anytime. This can go left. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. It's alright, man. You didn't really miss out on that. Like I said, I'm still looking on NAS to come down. I ain't gonna lie. I'm still looking on it to come down. It's doing this manipulation phase right now anyway, where it's gonna get the buyers and the sellers. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And given the fact of what time it is right now too, no need to do anything. So guys, with Euro Yen, we are tapping all in these levels here, so it's kind of like I want to see what reaction we could get, if we can get something, but I do still see it heading up. It's just got a lot of liquidity that it's trying to take over here. So with that pair, I would like to see up moves, because if y'all pay attention to the actual yen pair, which is literally right here. Wait, I got too much going on. We're going to get this pullback. As long as we get this pullback, we're going to see all of the other yen pairs start heading up. British pound is even heading up still too. So yeah, we're going to start tapping into here. I kind of want to see what happens once it taps into here. I like to see what reaction we get. If anything changed, I will definitely put that info out. Gold, don't see anything happening with gold yet. The fact is, we got a range. If we can break out of these lows, I will know that this is my range, and I'll kind of have a bias on when to be selling gold. And in the meantime, I'm not selling shit with gold. I would be buying still. A lot of people think it's going to drop because it's too much. It's too expensive. I get that, but I'm waiting on one important thing that we all should wait on to see what the actual fact is with structure. because we are building up liquidity here. Eventually they're going to keep building up, come back to it later, and then go from there. NASDAQ waiting on a drop still, so there's not much happening with that. GU, I talked about this yesterday in our live session we did Asian, that I wanted it to take this liquidity, and it's still going up, but that's because dollar is still dropping. So with GU, man, honest to God, right now I'm very kind of like, well, shit, I don't know what we could expect right now because we just took a lot of liquidity. But what I am going to tell you is that we're going up, obviously, and since we are going up, my bias is set for up moves. So any reaction that we get going down is just a pullback to continue to go up. So we got a lot of liquidity in GU right now, and honest to God, with GU, it's just that, yeah, we really got a lot of this liquidity all in here to take out. So once we start breaking out these lows, I will know what to expect next. Right now, I can't say much because we're still heading up. So that's my markup with GU. Euro, like I said, looking on that up move, and then GBP yen, I want to be looking on the up move. It's still going to come down though. Looking on some up moves once it taps in here, and then see what happens from there. Which I had the 200 to sign up for the challenge. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, guys, I think that I think this day was dope. Even though we got one trade, I think that's where we at for right now. NASDAQ, like I said, it kind of took off on us, so we're just gonna have to wait to see. You got our GJ by trailing stop loss, dope. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna sign out. Everybody's tapped in the VIP. See y'all tomorrow. Otherwise, everybody else, see y'all Monday. Peace and love. Take care.
Let me elevate you. Working through that patient termination. This is how it is. Tell me now, you really with it, then I'm feeling I've been out of line. Man, I cannot catch me out my temp, been a lot of high. And if you fucking with me, then you ain't never lie. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you. Never change, too much change. Feeling like you know what's on. I ain't never lied, but I had it wrong. Dreaming big, chase it back. With me, then you with me, we gon' run it back. Mama overworking double shift, she gotta get her grind on. All this overtake she work, man, she missed her time home. But I get it, you got children, you gotta put your mind on it. This the realest shit that's happening, this money's not slow. Let's make it rain on them, just fuck it up, I know you really out here sound. But if you with it, we gon' roll it up for the man homies. Just fuck it up, I know I'm body, it's a hang on them. I know, you gon' be my dog if you ready. But you still fuck with me if I fall. I would never do you wrong, no. I would never switch you up, no. But I would never change on you, this is what I see in you. I got big visions for that plan, this is me and you.